Hi, I'm Marty from Winter Equipment. Today I'm going to discuss our BlockBuster Hammerhead Carbide system. It's a long-lasting solution for your commodity carbide and cover blades. It's a great solution for DOT, county, cities, depending on your conditions and the desired level of service. The blade is a 3/4 by 7-inch blade with a hammerhead carbide insert that's 3/4 inch tall. The 3/4 hammerhead insert gives you a wider range of attack angles with your system, and 29% more carbide over your standard 5/8 inch 25-degree trapezoid insert. With your blade components, let's talk about the steel blade. We have an abrasion-resistant cover blade welded to the front that has integrated wear indicators to tell you when your carbide is worn and when to change the blade. It also comes in 3 or 4 foot sections, and it has interlocking tabs at both ends to give you more rigidity along the full length of your plow. The BlockBuster Hammerhead incorporates an A22 steel casting shoe that is welded to the back of the blade itself. What you're doing there is you're extending the footprint of the blade. This is a cutout of half of one of those blades. Basically what you have is a A22 casting, and you have a cavity in the bottom of it that's filled with our proprietary carbide matrix weld. This is welded right to the back of the blade to create a footprint that's just about 5 inches. On a 3-foot blade, you have one of these welded to the back. On a 4-foot blade, you have 2 welded on the back. What that means to you, it provides extremely long life, and it's very road friendly. Some of the benefits of the BlockBuster Hammerhead: it is guaranteed to last 4 times longer than a commodity carbide insert blade with a steel cover. It's engineered for the longest life. It's very road friendly because of the wide footprint, your cast steel shoes, and it's great for diamond coat, micro surfaces, chip seal roads, and it's really good high-speed blade as well. This is designed to fit front plows, wing plows, and toe plows. So let's go over once again what's in a system. Your BlockBuster blades are in the system. They come in 3 and 4 foot lengths. They're all powder coated to prevent corrosion. You get 2 cast steel guards, either straight or with curb protection. Also with your system, you get the highest quality grade 8 hardware available, installation instructions, and of course all of our systems ship with free freight. For more information or to schedule an on-site visit, you can contact us at 1-800-294-6837, winterequipment.com, or check us out on our social media.